Hey traders, Luke from Breakout Trading here. Uh Another wonderful day. Up overall on the day, $1,001.50. Real easy day. We mostly just traded the trend of the market. If you look at the S&P 500, it was just dumping. So we made $1,000 on that. Pretty much could have just traded that today, and that was it. But in terms of text alerts, one of the big ones we picked today was AOBC. Sorry. Um, this was my top pick of the day, and this was just a beautiful pick. It went right down to its pivot point at 950, and then even lower. So I was able to scoop up shares for 937, and we made some money on that. And then the actual ABOC here, where I shorted it, was a mistake. It was an accident. It happens. I clicked the button by accident, and I lost those gains. But actually, at one point, I was up almost $300 on ABOC, and I got a little too greedy, and it started to come down. But still, overall, it was fine. And then another trade on the day was AMD. It looked like it was gonna make a cup and handle at a certain point. Um, right around here. It looked like that was a nice cup and handle forming, and it just it bombed because the market bombed basically. And then we traded Facebook. Facebook had a nice little rally here early in the morning. Was able to catch on to that. But let me explain something. This is super easy, guys. It is super easy. If you pick something and it stinks, you get out. If you pick something and it's kicking, you know what? You stay in. And let me show you an example. Let's see. Right here, if we go, this is one of my students, now teachers, Brandon Orby. He traded today as well. He traded AOBC, made $334, and traded the TVIX and made 236. He's been a student of mine for about 2 months, give or take, and he's already got it down, and he's making thousands of dollars a day to a few hundred a week. But I have not seen him have a red day or even a red trade. He's had one red trade in the last 10 trading days or something like that, or something ridiculous. So props to you, Brandon. But I just want to go over real quick what it says basically um, in the thing. It's a daily recap. You could do it, and you don't need a lot of money to do this. If you sign up for TradeNet, you can get a $14,000 account, an $80,000 account. They fund you to trade. Not only do they fund you, they give you tools like to learn how to become a better trader. And if you sign up for TradeNet through the link I provided below, you'll see that they're having a 99-hour sale. And uh, let me explain something, by the way, about this picture. This is Mayor Barack. He's a professional trader. He basically teaches and is like the head trader, head teacher on TradeNet. So he's like a very old dude. He's like your grandpa. So this picture is very ironic, and it's made to be that way. But anyway, this is the programs they got. Intro program, they're going to give you a $14,000 account. Student program, they're going to give you a $80,000 account. Expert, they'll give you 160, and for the pro program, they give you $250,000 to trade with. What's the catch? The catch is, well, they get to take a percentage of your gains. So I have the student, and they take 25% of what I make. So um, for example, last month I took out 5,000. They and I only ended up getting like 3,750, something like that, because they take their percentage. But it's worth it because let me explain something. You need money to make money. Point blank, simple. That's it. A lot of people, they come in with a little bit of money, a few hundred, a few thousand. They think they're gonna trade penny stocks, and they're gonna just kill it that way. Um, which is funny. It brings up an experiment that this guy did. Um, he took 100 penny stocks under $1, and $100, and he purchased 100 penny stocks, and four of them actually did something. So, and he held them for about a year. Making significant money off penny stocks is hard. What we do is we trade points. If I wanted to, I could sit here all day long, from the comfort of my bedroom, my living room, my kitchen, wherever, and just trade. And by the way, guys, I fund my whole life. I pay for everything through trading. I trade for a living. Leveraged accounts is the way to go. Do you think Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan and Blackstone are not leveraging out? They're leveraging out like 35 to 1. That's why even the Fed yesterday said we ran a safety check because everybody's all leveraged out. If a worst case scenario, would the market blow? Would we crash? Because that's what people do is you use leverage. You need money to make money. And this is a cheap and affordable way to do it. They're having a special. Oh yeah, and by the way, just mention that you are in breakout trading, whether you're in my group on Facebook or you are a subscriber to the text alerts and the 0 second delay live stream. Doesn't matter. You tell them that they will drop the price of the intro to 350, and they'll drop the price of the student to 260 or 2600. So that's pretty cool of them. And guys, this is just an awesome opportunity, but we're taking breakout trading to the next level. Yeah, you can sign up if you'd like for $50, and that we're doing a special right now. It's $50 to get a lifetime membership in breakout trading, and that comes with text alerts, webinars. You get mentorship as well. We will schedule a one-on-one and have a conversation, get you set up with a strategy and a structure that will work. Um, and a lot of the times, people call me and they tell me, listen, I got like 500 bucks. What can I do? And I'm honest with you. I'm like, not much. Pray that you get lucky. So the bottom line is typically I'll refer you to the TradeNet program anyway, since that's what we trade on. I mean, we also trade on TradeNet. We don't, not TradeNet, Thinkorswim, but our focus really is on TradeNet. The way to go is this program. Now, what I'm offering, instead of you having to pay $50 and then me just refer you to TradeNet later, if you sign up for TradeNet, you get an automatic year membership to Breakout Trading. And that is going to be awesome because Breakout Trading is expanding. We're going to start doing something called the Breakfast Club. And the Breakfast Club is we're going to be trading very early in the morning as well as throughout the day. But in the early morning, there seems to be a lot of stocks taking off at around 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m. because of press releases or whatever. And if you can catch it early, you can get it. And we have the best service available to catch those kind of stocks, trade ideas. It's an artificial intelligence program. So if something starts to boom, we're not going to miss it. We're going to catch it. And breakout the Breakfast Club is also going to be like a little show on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And I'm excited for that. And you know, the website is the end game. The website is going to be where multiple people can stream. Like you can have someone like Brandon, who I showed you earlier. He'll be streaming live. And then if you want to watch me stream live, you can watch me stream live. If you want to watch Antonio Nasta, who's another teacher on TradeNet, stream live. He's a former hedge fund manager. He's been doing this for a very long time. He trades professionally for a living. You could watch him trade live. And we're talking 0 second delay, live stream trading, and you pick who you want to pick. There'll be educational videos, quizzes, things like that. And that's what Breakout Trading website is about. So that's why when you sign up, you're basically making a donation to help make that website come to be. Because the whole purpose of that is for traders to be able to come to the Breakout Trading website who are new, who don't know what the heck to do, and instead of them blowing up their account, they'll have an option. They'll have breakout trading, and it won't be $3,000. It won't be $2,000. It won't be something you can't afford. You can get in there for free, and you can watch, and you can learn, and you can see. And then if you want to get like mentorship or something extra, I don't know. I haven't worked that out yet. The goal is to have everything entirely funded by sponsors. So sponsors that we already have locked in place are Benzinga Pro, Trade Ideas. TradeNet is more of a partner than a sponsor, but you know, that's the whole goal is to have it funded by excuse me, by uh, sponsors. Sorry about that. I just wanted to make sure my mic was on. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, I don't think I added the link to sign up for the breakout trading. Just feel free to ask me. If you're watching this, I know I have a couple appointments to speak with a couple people today. Um, I have some open slots. We finished early. I mean, up $1,000 in about an hour. So we did the math on that. There's 251 trading days a year. So if you made $1,000 a day, you would make $250,000 a year on what's initially a $2,600 investment. So that's pretty dang cool. Um, but yeah, guys, let's keep it running. Let's keep it going. And you know, breakout trading is different than other groups, man. We are like a family here. We all talk to one another. A lot of people are friends with one another, and there's no goal other than to make you profitable. That's it. You know what I'm saying? I want you to be profitable. I don't want you to go through what I went through. I went through 6 years of refusing to pay the prices that I was seeing for a program. No mentorship, no guidance. 6 years of losing money. Hard. I remember after the second year, I had to move back in home. So I must have lost over, I don't even want to say the number, but it was a lot. And I mean, yeah, I could have paid for a doctorate, the money I lost. Um, anyway, but yeah, that's basically what I did pay for in a sense. Is an education and a degree in trading, and there's no degree to become a professional trader. You can get a degree in finance. You just get that once you're profitable. But there is actually a maxim that if you trade profitably for 3 years, you're considered institutionally profitable, which basically means you can go to Manhattan and trade it in an institutional trading type setting, which is pretty cool. And I am in another 2 months. I will be 3 month. I will be 3 years profitable. In September. Sorry, June, July, August, September. September, I will be exactly 3 years profitable, which is pretty cool. And anyway, guys, that is it for today. Enjoy the rest of the day. Again, you can comment with me with any. You can contact me with any questions. Um, yeah, $50 for lifetime, Peter. Where do you sign up? Pretty here. I'll grab it right now. Uh, Yeah, that's a special, and I'm only running it this week, and that's because we want to build the group, and we have already surpassed the 250 member mark. So we got 250 members. That's the thing right there, Peter, for the lifetime. But that's it, guys. So I will see you later. I'll see you next time, and I am out.